Before you place any trade, there is one thing you must understand. Price does not move blindly. It reacts to hidden levels on the chart. And those crucial hidden levels are called support and resistance. First, let's break down the concept of support. Support is the area where price usually stops falling and starts bouncing up. Think of it like a floor. When price reaches support, buyers often step in. That buying pressure can push price higher again. So when traders see support, they start paying attention. Now let's look at the flip side, resistance. Resistance is the area where price usually stops rising and starts falling. Think of it like a ceiling. When price reaches resistance, sellers often come in. That selling pressure can push price back down. So support pushes price up, and resistance pushes price down. Why do these specific support and resistance levels matter so much for traders? Support and resistance matter because price often reacts to them again and again. That is why traders mark these levels before entering a trade. If price is near support, they may look for buy opportunities. If price is near resistance, they may look for sell opportunities. This key strategy helps traders avoid random and impulsive entries. Let's use a simple example to illustrate this. Imagine price drops to a level 3 times and bounces up each time. That level becomes strong support. Now imagine price rises to another level 3 times and falls back each time. That level becomes strong resistance. The more times a level is respected, the more important it becomes. However, there is one common pitfall for beginners to avoid. One common beginner mistake is entering too early. Just because price is approaching a level, you still need confirmation. Just because price is near support does not mean it will bounce. And just because price is near resistance does not mean it will drop immediately. So now you understand the basics of support and resistance. We covered what these key levels are and why they are fundamental to trade planning. In the next episode, we'll combine this with trend and breakout concepts, and that will take your chart reading to the next level. See you in episode 7.